viewers, welcome back to Iha Designs. Here in house production a very special A-line top. A-line top is a designer top. A maxi dress is easily wear a top. Yoke level below above bust height and yoke set yoke cut beads work. Black and first one peach. Pinkish peach color cut beads are used. This is 3 tires and layers. 6 meter fabric this special maxi dress or frock develop a function stylish age limit wear comfortable dress price 1800 10 dispatch date order place 10 days dispatching price every size is available web selling through purchase. Next color is maroon and reddish maroon tone. Nalla bangiyulla lipstick maroon color. Idupole thane pinkish peach color ulla cut beads kondulla branches pole oru work. Pinne idinte back side idupole thane tires varunathu neck il oru cheriya oru loop pattern vechittundu. Front and back ore pole thannana pattern cheyidirikunathu. Bhayangara comfortable aanu. Bhayangara atyasham nalla loose fit ilokke bhayangara easy to wear aanu nammalku. Adupole thane same time stylish aanu. 1800 aanu price. 10 ദിവസത്തിന് ശേഷം ആയിരിക്കും dispatch date try ചെയ്തു നോക്കുക. Next color is blackish blue tone. Nalla bangiyulla blue color il idupole flares undu idinte nalla oru flares idu different cut aata designer cut aanu nammala boutique il masters cheyyunnaanu so bayangara stylish aanu miss cheyyidum ee rate vanninte reason um ee oru endha paraya idupole tires aayittu vandirikkunna ee oru pala layers il cheyidirikkunna ee oru frock cut aayidondana urappaayittum try cheyidu nokka namukku oru different look aayirikkum 1800 after 10 days aayirikkum delivery try cheyidu nokka. Final one is dark wine color. Wine color. Minimal work, different stylish pattern. We have pattern 1800 10 ദിവസത്തിന് ശേഷം ആയിരിക്കും try ചെയ്തു നോക്കുക.